The sun begins its slow descent, painting the sky with soft oranges and pinks. It's a calm evening, the kind that whispers softly to the sea. The waves gently lap against the shore, their rhythmic sound like lullabies sung by nature. As the light fades, the keeper climbs the stairs of the sturdy stone lighthouse. Each step creaks softly under his weight, steady and deliberate. He reaches the top, standing on the platform that overlooks the vast expanse of water. The view is breathtaking, the sea stretching out like a mirror reflecting the sky's warm colors. The wind picks up slightly, sending shivers through his coat, but not enough to disturb the peace. A gentle breeze carries with it the scent of salt and seaweed, a reminder of this place's power and beauty. He takes in the vastness, feeling small yet safe within the strong walls of the lighthouse. The keeper stands there for a long while, lost in the moment. The distant cries of seagulls add to the calm, almost soothing melody. It feels like the world has paused just for him. You stand at the top of the lighthouse, the lantern room filled with a gentle light that bathes everything in a soft glow. As you look out, your eyes are drawn to the vastness of the sea below. The water stretches as far as you can see, a deep and endless blue that seems to whisper secrets. The waves move gently, their patterns changing like a slow dance under the moonlight. In the distance, the coastline is a rugged line, marked by jagged rocks sticking out from the water's edge. As you gaze further, the green hills of the mainland appear in the distance, their curves soft and hazy. You feel the cool breeze blowing against your face, carrying with it the salty scent of the sea. The air is crisp, offering a sense of freshness that clears your mind. You can hear the distant sound of the waves crashing onto the rocks, creating a gentle lullaby that soothes your thoughts. It's a peaceful night, full of quiet beauty. The view is breathtaking and serene. As the sky grows darker, the moon begins to rise over the sea, casting its silvery glow on everything below. The keeper stands at the edge of the lighthouse, wrapped in his thick coat against the cool evening air. The night whispers softly around him. The sound of waves gently lapping against the shore is like a soothing lullaby, rising and falling with each soft crash. It's a familiar rhythm, always there to keep time as the world sleeps. The keeper listens, feeling a sense of peace that only the sea can bring. Behind him, the old lighthouse creaks and groans softly. It's an ancient voice from another time, telling stories of countless nights spent here. Each creek seems to carry a tale of light guiding ships safely home through stormy seas. The keeper wonders about the lives of those who came before, all sharing this place in their own unique ways. In the distance, a seagull's call breaks the quiet. It's a cry that echoes across the water, lonely and beautiful. For a moment, it seems to carry his thoughts and worries away with it. The keeper stands quietly, allowing these sounds to wash over him like a gentle tide. The lighthouse stands tall in the distance, its beams slicing through the dark sky like a steady, guiding hand. You are inside, sitting by the small window that faces out onto the vast expanse of the sea below. The rhythmic sound of waves continues to lull you, but now you feel something different. A cool breeze slipping through the open window. The air is crisp and clean, carrying with it a faint, salty tang from the ocean. It dances across your skin, making your clothes rustle softly against each other. You take a deep breath, inhaling that familiar scent of sea spray mixed with the freshness of the night. It's a comforting sensation, soothing you as if nature itself is offering a gentle embrace. You can feel the breeze playing with your hair, sending it gently across your face, tickling your cheeks. The coolness is refreshing, easing any lingering warmth from the day. You close your eyes for a moment, letting the breeze carry away all your thoughts and worries. As you gaze out at the sea, Now slightly illuminated by the moon's soft glow, you notice how the waves move in slow, rhythmic patterns, each one meeting the shore with a gentle splash. The keeper stands by the door, breathing in deeply. He closes his eyes for a moment, letting the cool night air wrap around him. The sea is calm tonight, its surface a mirror reflecting the stars above. He inhales again, this time more slowly. The smell of the sea fills his nose, salt, strong and pure. It's familiar, like an old friend. He can almost taste it on the tip of his tongue. Turning gently to face the night, he opens his eyes wide. The moonlight illuminates the lighthouse wall, casting shadows that dance in the breeze. His breath is steady now, a rhythm with the waves. He feels a soft scent too, sweet and floral. Coastal flowers dotting the shoreline release their fragrance into the air. They are like tiny stars hidden among the rocks, bringing a hint of spring even as winter clings to the land. The keeper inhales one last deep breath, feeling calm and content. This is his world, this peaceful night by the lighthouse. The night is cool but gentle as the keeper steps out onto the shore. The moonlight casts a soft glow, making the beach look like a peaceful silver blanket. Waves of water lap gently at the sand with a rhythmic sound that is both calming and soothing. As the keeper walks along the water's edge, they feel their toes sink into the damp, cool sand. Each step is deliberate and slow, allowing them to appreciate the sensation of the grains between their feet. The texture gives a sense of grounding, a tangible presence that helps in easing any stray thoughts or worries. The keeper then shifts their weight onto the pebbles and gravel that line parts of the shore. These small stones, rough underfoot, provide a contrast to the soft sand but still offer comfort through their familiarity. With each step on the pebbles, the sound is like tiny drums beating in harmony with the ocean's lullaby. Water slowly washes over their ankles, leaving a cool and refreshing sensation. The keeper leans forward slightly, letting the water playfully splash against their legs. It feels like a gentle caress from nature, bringing a sense of calm almost as if they are being embraced by the sea. As the keeper continues their walk, their breaths become slower and deeper, matching the pace of the waves. They hear the distant sound of birds calling to each other in their sleep, adding to the tranquility of this peaceful night. The keeper's mind is clear now, focused only on the present moment. The weight of the world seems lighter as they move along the shore, basking in the calmness that surrounds them. As the evening turns into a quiet, peaceful night, the lighthouse keeper steps onto his tiny balcony to enjoy the view. He slowly leans back in an old wooden chair, feeling the cool evening breeze against his face. The sky above is clear and filled with countless stars. At first, they twinkle like distant lanterns, but soon the constellations begin to form, shining patterns that dance across the dark blue canvas. The keeper focuses on Orion, its 3 bright stars forming a line, like sentinels guarding the celestial realm. He can almost imagine the giant hunter walking through the sky. The moon, pale and full, casts a soft glow over everything below. It lights up the waves gently rolling against the shore, creating a shimmering effect that is both peaceful and enchanting. The lighthouse keeps its steady beam, adding its own light to the night's serene tapestry. Time seems to slow down as he watches the stars. Each one feels like a tiny diamond, each twinkling in the vastness of the universe. A shooting star appears, a brilliant streak that disappears just as quickly as it appeared, leaving behind only a momentary thought of infinity. The keeper closes his eyes for a moment, letting the quiet and stillness fill him. When he opens them again, the stars are even more prominent, each one seeming to hold a story or a secret. He feels a deep sense of peace, part of something so much larger than himself. As the night deepens and the stars twinkle in the sky, The keeper retraces his steps to the cozy quarters he calls home. Stepping inside, he is greeted by an immediate sense of warmth. The fireplace crackles softly, casting a gentle glow across the room. He walks over to the large armchair near the fire and sinks into its softness. It feels like coming home after a long journey. The keeper stretches his legs out and wraps himself in a soft blanket that he loves. The fabric is warm and comforting against his skin. He closes his eyes for a moment, letting the warmth of the room wash over him. Outside, the night breeze whispers softly through the window, almost like an old friend's gentle voice. The keeper takes a deep breath, inhaling the familiar scent of pine from the nearby trees outside. It fills his lungs and brings a sense of peace. The sound of the sea can be faintly heard in the distance, a constant lullaby that has accompanied him for many years. He listens as the waves crash against the shore, adding to the tranquil atmosphere. He reaches out and touches the old wooden table near the fireplace. It feels sturdy under his fingers, with the familiar grooves from years of use. His hands rest on top of it, feeling at home in a way that only this place can provide. The keeper finally decides to settle down for the night. He picks up a book from a nearby shelf and opens it. The pages are thin and aged, but they transport him to new worlds with each turn. He reads softly, allowing the words to soothe his mind as he drifts into a peaceful sleep. After a long day, the keeper's head begins to feel heavy. Their eyelids grow sleepy and droopy, as if pulled down by invisible strings. Gently, they close their eyes, feeling a deep calm wash over them. The lighthouse remains steady, its light shining steadily through the night. The waves of the sea continue to crash against the rocks below, creating a soft, rhythmic sound that calms the keeper's mind and body. Each wave seems to follow a pattern, much like a lullaby soothing a baby to sleep. In the stillness, the keeper can feel their breath slow down. They inhale deeply, filling their lungs with the cool, salty air of the sea. Exhaling slowly, they let out a soft sigh, feeling more relaxed and at peace with every breath. The wooden floors creak softly underfoot as the keeper's feet rest on them, adding to the hushed ambience of the quarters. The walls seem to close in gently, wrapping the keeper in a warm embrace that keeps out any unwanted cold or drafts. Outside, the sound of the lighthouse's mechanism continues to hum quietly, almost imperceptibly. It blends with the steady rhythm of the waves and creates a symphony of quiet sounds that lull the keeper into a peaceful slumber. The keeper's body relaxes completely now, every muscle unwinding as they drift deeper and deeper. The keeper finally succumbs to sleep, their mind empty and calm. In this moment, time seems to stand still, and all is quiet except for the gentle lullaby of the night.